If apps aren't showing up when you search for them in the Google Play Store, here are 3 quick fixes to try. First, check your parental controls. Open the Google Play Store, tap your profile icon in the top right corner, and select Settings. Expand the Family section and tap Parental Controls. If this feature is turned on, it might be hiding certain apps. Toggle it off, enter your PIN, and try searching for your app again. Second, update the Google Play Store. Tap your profile icon again, go into Settings, and expand the About section. Tap Update Play Store. If an update is available, tap Understood to install it in the background, then restart the store and search again. Third, clear the Play Store cache and data. Open your phone's Settings app. Go to Apps and tap Google Play Store. Select Storage and Cache. Then clear both the cache and data. Relaunch the Play Store, and your missing apps should now appear in search results.